I'm comparing a rectangle with a parallelogram and the properties of each. So let's start with the rectangle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 right angles. It's got a pair of equal and opposite sides. The top and the bottom are equal and opposite. Oh, it's got another pair of equal and opposite sides. That's right, the left and the right sides are equal and opposite to each other. It's got a pair of parallel sides. The top and the bottom are parallel to each other. You see, they'll keep going and going and going and going and going and never meet. And the left and the right do the same. They will never meet either. So they're parallel. So it's got two pairs, one pair and another pair of parallel sides. The parallelogram, what does it have? Well, it's got a pair of equal sides for sure. It's got another pair of equal sides. So it's got two pairs of equal sides. And then it's got a parallel pair and another parallel pair. A lot like the rectangle. But in contrast to the rectangle, it doesn't have any right angles. No, this angle here is not a right angle. But it is equal to this one. And this one is equal to this one. So you could say that diagonally opposite angles are equal to each other. But you can't say that it has right angles. Okay. What about if we put them side by side? What's the same and what's different? They've both got two pairs of parallel sides, and they've both got two pairs of equal and opposite sides. So that's what's the same. But the parallelogram doesn't have a right angle, whereas the rectangle has 4. And now I'll try changing this rectangle into a parallelogram. So to start with, I'll need to get rid of the right angles because there aren't any in a parallelogram. And then I'm going to need to change the corners. If I bring that out to here, that's helped me to lose 2 of the right angles. And now I'll need to change this corner over here so that I keep the top and the bottom parallel, but so that I also keep the left and the right parallel. Where do you think it should go? Somewhere about here? Is left and right parallel? Is top and bottom parallel? Yeah, somewhere. It's difficult to do it by eye, but somewhere about there. Okay, now let's bring that more into the middle. Let's bring those over to the edge and rotate them just a little bit. Oh, hello. Rotate them. That's it. Now bring them into position. So, something a bit like that, wouldn't you say? Okay, it's no longer a rectangle, it's now a parallelogram. There we go, that's the end of the video. Thanks, bye.